Hello, my name is Keith Monahan, and I'm going to be making a series of videos explaining some of the basics of Java. To start programming in Java, you're going to need a few programs. The first is a IDE, a place where you write your code and where you can run your code. The program that I use is Eclipse, although there are a lot of other ones. I will put a link to this program in the description of the video. You should probably install it before watching. The next two programs you're going to need are the Java Development Kit and the Java Runtime Environment. Both of these things are required in order to compile your code and actually run it and test it. So go ahead and pause the video and get all of these things downloaded and resume when you are ready. Alright, now that you have everything downloaded, it's time to open up Eclipse. It comes in a folder like this. There's no installation required. Just open it up and open Eclipse. You need to pick a workspace before you start writing anything. This is just a place where all of your files are stored when you're working on them. I already have a folder set up on my desktop, but you can put it anywhere you want. Once you open up Eclipse, to write your first program, you're going to want to go to New and then Java Project. Since we're going to be writing a simple Hello World program, we can just name our project Hello World. The file will save wherever we set our workspace to be, so just do that, hit Next. And finish. Now, the first thing we need to do in our project is to create a new class. So we're going to name this class New Class. We're going to make it public, all the default settings, and we're going to check this box here, public static void main. And this just means that this is the main class in our project. And this is where the program will look to first when you need to run. So a few things once you open this up, you'll see the code here. You see public class, new class, and then these two braces. Every code that you will ever write will be within some form of class. And in here we have the public static void main, and this is where the program will look to first. So the first thing we want to do is the traditional Hello World program. So if you want to do a console output in Java, the line of code you need to type in is system.out.println, printline, parentheses, and then quotations, and then anything you type in here will be displayed in the console. So we're just going to type Hello World. Every line of code, every command that you give it should end with a semicolon. So now that we have the program ready to go, we're going to test it. So in Eclipse, when you want to test your program, just go to Run and hit Run. Down here is where the console output is, and we can see that we have Hello World.